Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, William and I are home. William, say hi.
Hi. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome in. Come sit, come stay. What a day.
This is his week off from school, so he will be here with me. So I'm very anxious for this to record this video because I received my package from Shein, where I ordered all the beads for my necklaces. Also, I ordered two microphones, one for my cell phone and another one for my camcorder for my Canon. I've been having trouble when I do the tutorial recording. I only have the noise in the background, the ambience noise, like, and that's really bothering me always. So I try to bring the volume down, put some music, and you always hear that. So I ordered a few from Amazon, and I don't have any good luck with those because they don't fit on my Canon. So let's see if this one that I ordered from Shein will be better. So stay tuned. I'm gonna open my package.
Learning with a little laughter, learning with a little grace. I'm always sharing what I've been given, love in every place I tread. Step, row by row. What I know, I let it flow. Hand in hand across the screen. Little knots make a bigger dream. I just looked at the yarn and liked it, and I shouted, let's knit. This day is perfect for something new. Stitch by stitch, we're walking through it with a ruby. We knit this day, and the loop holds what we say. My life among threads, I'm blessed. A cold soul finds rest. Welcome in. Come sit, come stay. What a day. Such a gentle morning. First we breathe, then we.
So here I have William by my side. He wanted to keep me company.
Yep.
He is here all this week, March break. So we're gonna start with these are like a silicone for encapsule some of my earrings and to do some resin work. I ordered this. These are stainless steel beads, 4mm for bracelet. It's for some necklace, maybe I will use some. So these are a special needle for sewing by hand with a special loop. I don't know if you want to see that. Yes, that you pass the thread through the side. You don't pass it through because I'm completely blind. And it came with a little wooden storage, really nice. So I'm going to be using this a lot. So I ordered some of these for passing through the beads and creating, you know, the necklace or earrings and all that stuff. I ordered this one that I have already the loop, and I ordered some like this with a flat head. These two. Okay, some hooks for earring, and I forgot to order some clips to close some of the chains. So I had a bad experience with AliExpress. I don't want to order anything else from AliExpress because I did 3 orders, you know, like one after another, and they never came. So I file for a refund. The first refund they did, but the other two, the more expensive order, they didn't want to do the refund because they say that I don't have enough proof that I don't receive the package. Even that I send them the message that the carrier sent me that they lost my package. Even in that message is on their website of AliExpress, and they don't want to send me the refund. So I will never again order from AliExpress. So I don't recommend it anymore. So this for the ear, you know, for the loops. I ordered these beautiful beads. Look at this beautiful color. They are stone beads. These ones are glass, beautiful glass beads, and they are very shiny. I ordered this beautiful package of 900. I ordered these stainless steel chains. I want to order some with the gold. These are like the silver chain. I want to order the gold ones. Look how beautiful they are. Very good quality. Stainless steels.
Yeah.
They don't gonna change color.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the microphone that I ordered for my camcorder. Let's see if this works. So like this. So let's see. Willie's anxious for me to open the other microphone, this one.
Yeah.
So I will be opening these ones now after I finish this. You want to try it?
Yeah, because I always want to wear those.
Yeah, I ordered a pair of pants.
Yeah.
Those are the extra stuff that I ordered.
The brown pants.
These.
Brown color.
Yeah, they have amazing material. I thought they're gonna be a different material, but it's spandex, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful material.
Uh-huh.
So when I put it on, if I like it, I will take some picture. If I don't put the pictures because I didn't like it, and I will return them. That's the good thing about Shein, that you can return things. So I love the color, I love the material, I love the style. So let's see. And I ordered this dress that I seen over TikTok everywhere. This shapeless, big, comfy dress. I ordered in black. It's a small size, but I wish you see how big it is. It's huge. So I look at the sizes, and I saw some ladies that about different sizes. That's the good thing about buying in Shein, that you can see the shapes, the ladies, and then you see, well, this one probably that will fit me. I'm a medium. This one is a small, but look at the size of this.
Even for a small, it's really big.
But the small part is this here. You see? Like this. This is the small part, because the back is the one that you bring up. You know those sexy dress that you see all over the TikToks? Look, with a very long back that you will gather these and make it shorter or longer. So I'll try it later. And like I said, if I like it, I put some picture. If I don't like it, I will send it back. So I decided to buy in Shein because in Shein it's easier to send things back. So this is what I ordered. And now I'm gonna open the microphone for the cell phone. So I will try that one now with William.
Like this one?
Yes.
This?
Yeah. No, the other one. Yes.
What we say, my life among threads, I'm blessed. Cold soul finds rest. Step by step, row by row. What I know, I let it flow. Hand in hand across the screen. Little knots make a bigger dream.
So we open it and we put it on, and we don't know if it's working. So because we don't have any background noise, so I'm gonna put the TV on to see if it worked. Willie was really anxious to put his on, and Willie?
Yeah, a lot.
Well, we have the TV on. I grab it in my hand. That way I can see if the background noise is less
Noisy?
noticeable. So I have the TV on. So let's see what happened. I hope this work, because sometimes I try to record it in the day and with the noise in the house, Ricardo watching TV.
Yeah.
Now William here, with me. So I want to try to record, and with this, let's see if this work. I hope so.
Yeah. True.
What do you think, Willie?
Yeah, it could work.
Let's see.
If you
This-
know you're talking.
I know I'm talking. I have the TV on.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can hear it, even a little bit that you can hear it, but no as much as I can hear it here. I find it very distracting having that noise in the background, me talking here is very annoying. So let's see if this works. Well, I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber, and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video.
Yeah.
And please share my videos with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.